Hey, good morning, everybody. Or here. Beautiful 51 degrees out with 23% humidity. It's almost dripping wet out there. Last night I took the humidity record at 9% humidity, about 80 degrees at 5 or 6 o'clock. But let's take a look, see what we're doing here. Having fun, I know that. Beautiful out. I just came in from looking at the outdoor transplants and that one Dream Rider that I planted from seed, germinated seed. Hey, look at that Dream Rider. Huh? Not bad. It's getting there. This is the first different strains that I've grown in a couple years. It's been about 2 years. I used to grow photos. I'm going to throw up some, bleh. I'm going to put up some, upload. I found some, I was going through on the computer, I found some old videos of some grows about 3 years ago or so. And yeah, photo periods. I'd forgotten all about those. Hell, I had to take the light all the way up to the top of this 3x3. And yeah, they were kind of neat, but I prefer this right here. All these plants are grown from 1, 2, 3 fat buds over in Virginia. One of the Virginia Grow Bros. I'm waiting for you, Eugene, to show a video here, buddy. I've seen your plants. Awesome. Yeah, the Virginia Grow Bros. Rick and Eugene, two good people. Anyhow, hey, let's. It's water time. They're just a little bit dry for me, and so I'm going to switch to every 3 and then possibly 4 days. But today we're going to call it day 7, week 1, and I'm going to give them 100 milliliters of water here. Hey, I was looking through the pantry, and down on the bottom I found this heater. Hell, I didn't even need to get that other one that I have, that Pro Breeze, but this one works really nice. It has a real nice fan on it. Anyways, I'm going to water them and then I'll get back to you. All right? Hey, have a good one so far, guys. I am. Later. All right, just finished, and what I did first is I sprayed all of the tops of the soil so that it wasn't real dry. You guys know how it is when you know, soil dry, even with only 100 milliliters, it can run right out of the sides of these pots. And yeah, I'm not giving them very much. I have overwatered, I'm sure, at times, but this is a good idea. I'm basically growing Rick's seeds, fat buds. I'm also following his watering schedule because, Jesus, I've looked at his plants. You guys have too. That was a messed up deal yesterday. But that's YouTube for you, such as it is. You can watch about anything you want on this on YouTube, anything. And then somebody does, you know, has a really, I mean, a good-hearted person that's trying to do good for the community. You know, YouTube fucks with them. Anyhow, such as it is in life, isn't it? And by the way, for some of you out there, when I'm out back, I'm not shitting you. When I'm by those plants in that cat box, if you read my description yesterday, henceforth known as the cat box, when I'm out there, hell, I talk loud because I can't hear in one ear, and fucking drums and loud music. I put the headphones on every day and crank them up. I mean, Jesus, my wife said, hey, is the music on out back? You got those speakers on? It's my headphones sitting by the chair there. But anyhow, the reason that I whisper out there is because, I kid you not, right by the cat box where the 3 transplants are my neighbors. They were out there. They sit in a chair, literally almost about 3 feet from the wall between us. So even when I whisper, I know that they hear me. They're cool. I don't really talk with anybody. I mean, that's the way it is, and shit. The fence is high enough to where I know that they're good people. So, anyhow, that's why I whisper out there. All right. Okay, I gave each of them 100 milliliters of water using my fancy graduated jar. And my next watering will be, let's see, on Thursday. Yeah, I believe Thursday, and they'll get 150 milliliters of water. This little girl right here in the solo cup, let's check her out. She's getting some good roots. Whoops. I'll figure this freaking thing out. Yeah. The glare of the cup doesn't help. I'm going to go around and show you what they look like, okay? There's the Dream Rider. And man, I'd like this up on the egg crates. Or milk crates. Blue Dreams. Jesus, look at this Caribbean Dream. I was holding her up with a paper clip. Another Blue Dream here, and this is a Caribbean Dream. I'm just going to let this one grow right here in the tent. I'm not going to attempt to transplant anymore. In fact, I keep talking about some beans. I do have, or have been doing some. I do want to plant out back. It's going to be in the upper 80s this week. Might even hit 90. Right now, like I said, it's 51 degrees out with about 23% humidity. Yesterday at 5 or 6 o'clock, it was 80 degrees with 9% humidity. So there you go. Day 7 of week 1. Have a All right, I'm going to wrap this video up quickly. As far as the VPD goes, I don't have a fancy controller that will control the exhaust fan, the heater, the humidifier, and all of that stuff, the fans. But I do have the VPD down to an average of about 0.89. I need to bring it up to, what, a 1.1 or so. That's kind of difficult to do. Some of it I have to do manually. I'm thinking of putting a timer on the exhaust fan and just setting it for every 5 minutes or so to come on for a minute or two. So yeah, it's working okay. I'm going to put a screenshot of the VPD in there somewhere, so that's what that is. Alright, everybody have a great day. I really appreciate everybody. If you're new to the channel, hey, maybe a subscription would be cool, but hey, at least have fun watching my videos, whether you subscribe or not. Maybe a thumbs up or something, or a comment. I love your comments, guys. I really do. Alright, here we go. I don't know, it's 5:30 something. I've got a few hours before everybody wakes up at the hacienda here. So yeah, it's my time. Haha, I love it. Later, bong's ready. It's calling me. Be quiet, frogs.